Got bad experiences of it. In the early 90s, my foot slipped on a cobble.
He had to go round with Jim in his sleek car in his Ferrari, which I enjoyed doing that.
It's quite a relief when we see all the runners actually go to the start line and go.
T-shirt design competition is always challenging, especially when it comes to picking a winner.
The worst thing that can happen is for somebody to get seriously injured in a race.
And seeing them walk along the high street and the crowds out just looks great. See it in the rear view mirror, looks good.
Now use a professional company for road closures, but we've still got to be out there at 7:30 in the morning just making sure that all the signs are up.